Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about save Google Docs image on Android. Part 1. Save Google Docs images on Android. Part on. Unlike iOS, you currently cannot save an individual image from a document in the Google Doc app. You will have to download all images in the document to your device's storage via Google Drive. Number 1, open the Google Docs app. Tap the menu icon on the document and select send a copy. Number 2, select web page .html zipped and tab OK. Number 3, select Drive in the Share menu to upload the zipped image file to your Google Drive account. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.